In this video, we will present one of fundamental ObjectGears system entities, model. We will speak only about the most important model properties. Please consult online documentation to get information about other properties. Each ObjectGears instance can be divided into independent units that, based on setup, can be integrated or stay isolated. These units are called models. From the user's perspective, they are more or less independent applications that can be found in menu and to which they have various access rights. List of models can be displayed from the administration menu. We can create a new model or display detailed settings of an existing one. Besides code and localized model name, we can modify other properties. We can set whether the model is enabled. Checking this property off causes an immediate application unavailability for the users. Besides user access rights that can define, for example, who can see which data, who can create, modify, or update these data, ObjectGears distinguishes two layers of administration access rights. The first layer is administrator that creates a model, sets up its properties, and defines who will be model IT owner. The second layer is just the model IT owner, the designer who will be creating all the required objects in the model in which he was set by administrator. These objects may be classes, columns, notifications, rules, workflow, etc. Segregation of roles is also demonstrated in the following picture. The first layer is ObjectGears instance. Administrators work on this level. There are particular models created within the instance. In these models, administrators define owners of the models, which represent the second layer of access rights. Model owners then create content of models, that means applications, and set up access rights on particular objects, which represent the third layer of access rights. The next property in the model definition is theme, which defines graphical appearance of the model. You can use one of predefined themes, or you can create a completely new theme, reflecting, for example, your corporate colors. In the tab Roles and Display, the administrator can set which roles from the global catalog can be used in the given model. These selected roles can then be used by model IT owner who sets access rights for them on particular objects. You can also enable certain classes to another models. In such case, designer of another model can create column referring to the enabled class from the foreign model. This is very useful at the moment when data of one model shall be shared with another application. We can keep records of currencies, accounts, projects, or exchange rates in a single place and let other applications to use these lists. You can attach lists of various documentation in form of files to the model. These files are then available to users under the help icon in the upper right screen corner. You can try ObjectGears demo online after clicking on a link in the bottom part of each page of the web www.objectgears.eu. You can download a version free also for commercial use from the same place.